All right, so week 15 is upon us, and this is the week we start to see the decrease of items in our class. So, no chapter quiz this week in our last Code Academy. And I noticed, to my little bit of a surprise, many of you took the arrays, went ahead and went on with coding. So, and I also find it interesting. I think when students see other students post as something that's hard, sometimes I wonder if that influences their thinking. I think it's not just students, it's all of us. It's kind of like when you see the first couple of people say it's bad, you don't look any further. And then sometimes it's good just to have your own experience and then maybe look at the comments because then you're not prejudged to do so. Okay, but having said that, week 15 being upon us, the one thing that I think I just want to give a little more heads up on is this assignment, and I think it's a really good one. It's the database design, and I talked about it. I gave a little review of it here, and then here's the video in the classroom. And it's one of those things that it's just good to understand and make sure you at least get an example in your head of what it's like to do a simple database design. And of course, here we're doing something different with Google Docs. We're going to make a copy, and actually that should say week 15, but oh well, it doesn't. But remember, this is really important to put into your own folder, right? So here's where you can move it into the shared with Rio. That's a very common thing. And then you'll link, once you get this done, you'll link this into your classwork. But I'm going to say this again because I've already had a couple of students submit this. So in order for you to get all the points for this part of the assignment, you have to do the 3 tables, name them. You have to give the field names as in the standards that I've given, and you have to fill out all the example data. So you can't just fill out some. If you want all the points, you got to fill out all 10 what we call transactions, and in the outer tables you only have to give 6. And then you need to write 3 queries or questions that your data will answer. And I will give the example in the video, but don't use my video rental example. Come up with something of your own, okay? So, just FYI. And again, I think I say that in this video as well, but it doesn't hurt to say it again since I've already seen a couple of students do what I was trying to flag you here not to do. The other thing I will say, and I've said this before, but I'm going to say it again, next semester. So if you're already looking to set up your next semester schedule and you're liking some of the things in this course and you'd like to continue, I have CIT82 next semester, not summer, but fall, for CIT82 Web Technologies, and that teaches more HTML, CSS, frameworks, processing systems, CEO. So check that out. And then I am also teaching 93, which is JavaScript. And JavaScript is the most popular language on the planet right now. So there is a couple offerings that you could check out for next semester. If you want more detail, do put something out on chat or for me directly. But it's in WebAdvisor. It's CIT 82 and CIT 93 that I'm teaching. The 93 is a full 19 or 18 week course, and there'll be not a textbook, but we are using a Udemy course. So just heads up on that. But as we roll into the final parts of the semester next week, I will have released the last classwork. So everything. And the only thing left to release is the week 17 classwork. And what I try to do is let it get a little closer to the end of the semester so that I can make sure that students, questions that come up, I can handle them in a video like this so students are clear about what that is. But anyway, my plan is to have that done by next week. And then hopefully you've heard me say that I'm going to be gone week 18. Friday. Week 17. I will be gone, but the final due on week 18 and all that then happens. I'll be back at that point, but I'll be gone for 7 days. So FYI, I will still be available via chat, and I'll still be grading and doing the things I normally do, even if I'm traveling. All that's true. Okay, I think that's it. Have a great rest of your week. It's a beautiful day in Fresno. Hopefully, it's going to be a beautiful weekend. Go out and enjoy it.